Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make hot cacao. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need 2 tablespoons of unsweetened cocoa powder, 2 tablespoons of granulated sugar, and 1 cup of your favorite milk. Don't forget a tiny pinch of salt. It truly elevates the chocolate flavor. Having everything ready makes the process smooth and enjoyable, ensuring a delicious cup every time. Now let's prepare our dry base. In a small saucepan, combine your 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder, 2 tablespoons of sugar, and that tiny pinch of salt. Whisk these ingredients together very well. This crucial step helps to break up any cocoa clumps and ensures that when you add the milk, you'll achieve a wonderfully smooth and lump-free hot cacao. It's all about building a perfect foundation. Next, pour your 1 cup of milk into the saucepan with the dry mixture. Place the saucepan over medium heat. Now, this is important. Whisk constantly as the mixture heats up. Keep whisking until it's hot and steaming, but be careful not to let it boil. Continuous whisking ensures the cocoa and sugar fully dissolve, creating a perfectly smooth and creamy texture without any burnt bits at the bottom. Almost ready to enjoy. Your delicious hot cacao is now ready. Carefully pour it into your favorite mug. This is where you can get creative. Feel free to add a dollop of whipped cream, a handful of mini marshmallows, or a sprinkle of cinnamon for extra flair. For an even richer taste, a 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla extract stirred in at the end works wonders. Sit back, relax, and savor your perfectly crafted, warm beverage.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.